All right, now we're going to do the strength portion of our show. So it's for the pickleballers that need to build strength in certain areas. So right now, these are like 2-pound slugs. Each one is about 2 pounds. So whatever you have that's going to give you that type of feel is what you're going to go for, okay? So we're just going to warm up the arms, warming them up. We're going to them on up. Bring them on down. Good. It's like you're hugging the moon. Hug the moon. Bring it on down. Up. Hug the moon. Good. We're going to be mimicking motions you do on the court. Good. One more time. Then we're going to increase it. We're going to bring it all the way down. All the way down. Coming on up. Take a step. Hug the moon. Bring it on down. Bring it on up. Hug the moon. Again, each side. Hug the moon. Good. Coming on up. Now, you're going to take both hands. I'm just going to stack them together if possible, kind of like if you have a bat or if you have 2 hands on the paddle. So you're just going to mimic going forward. Bring it back. Going forward. Real simple. You have weight. You have your torso being strengthened by using weight instead of the paddle. This is the right side, but according to you, if you're mirroring me and you're not a lefty, it's going to feel weird. Good. One more. Other side. Stack the hands the other way. So not a lefty. Feels very weird. But you got to do both sides. Strengthen. Bring it back. Strengthen. Good. 2 more. 1 more. Good. Now, you're just going to take one and just act like you're doing an overhand with a step forward. Overhand, step forward. Bring it back. Overhand, step forward. Bring it back. Like you're just going to blast the ball to the ignorant person that's across and pop them right in the nose with it. Good. Other side. Opposite foot, opposite arm. Not a lefty. Good. You do each side individually. You can never know what's going to happen in the game, especially if you're extremely competitive. Good. 1 more. Good. Now, incorporating more leg, you're going to be coming forward into a V shape with a bottom-handed hit, I guess you would put it. So V shape, bottom hand hit. Bring it back. Other side. Bottom hand hit. Good. Good. 1 more each side. Good. Now we're going to be working on the backhands. So, stepping forward, swinging. 1 hand. Stay on the same side. Swing. Swing. Not going too deep, just mimicking a nice motion with a small lunge. Opposite side now. Good. you're controlling the weight. That is the key to improving it. Using a weight instead of the paddle will improve those muscles that are being used in that specific motion. Good. Now, you're going to have your feet nice and wide, and you're going to go down with both, and you're going to swing upward. Okay? It's almost like you're drawing like a half of a rainbow coming down and coming up. Down. Draw the half of the rainbow. Good. Incorporating muscles that you are using, but you're using strength to be able to do this nice and controlled in a manner, instead of doing it in a game where you're going to be flailing all over the place. This way you can make sure your motion is good. Good. Now we're going to go to the other side. Down. Draw that rainbow. Down. Up. Down. Up. Have a slight lunge. Not moving my feet. Good. Up. One more. Good. Now, I'm going to be doing a scooping motion forward as you're taking a lunge, both hands, okay? As you take a step forward, scoop straight up, push back, opposite foot, scoop straight forward, push back. You can always use bigger weights if you're going to be improving the strength in your shoulders and in your arms, if you are a weakling. If you're not a wiener and you're doing really well, you can just go with the smaller weights and the motions. Get your body even stronger, more reliable as you're going through all the different ranges of motion, planes of motion. Good. Now, we're going to be doing something kind of awkward. You're going to be taking a step backward with a twist. Stepping back with the right hand and going into a right facing lunge. Right facing twist with a lunge. What? Just watch. Okay. Back, twist. Back, twist. Okay? Junior, you getting this? Twist. Twist. One more. Twist. Okay, opposite side. Same thing. Back. Twist. Twist. If you don't want to look, you don't have to. But if you want to concentrate on possibly hitting the ball with the paddle, you're going to have to look. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Good. That was pretty good. Now, I'm going to take a step forward and twist to the opposite side. So that time we took a step backward and twist to the same side. We're going to take a step forward, twist to the opposite side. Okay. Taking a step forward, twist to one side. Opposite leg. Twist to one side. Twist to one side. Twist. Twist. You're going to feel it all in your core, in your legs, in your upper body. And you're going to have hopefully better range of motion. Good. Good. Very nice. Hey. The guy is taking the side by side. Mayonnaise is hanging around her favorite uncle, which is Tom. Oh my gosh. They love him. A little bit of a racetrack here. Earlier, Louise and McFlurry got into a little tiff. Just stupid. Come on, mayonnaise, Vito! Come on, kid! He's up behind the stairs. Mayonnaise, come with me! No! Mayonnaise! Mayonnaise! She doesn't want to leave you. She's just gonna follow him. Seriously? No. Little Miss Hot Pants. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mayonnaise, ketchup! Come on! Come on, ketchup! Let's go, mayonnaise! Come on, come on, come on! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Come on, come on! Why am I herding chickens? Come on! So I was informed by Tom that mayonnaise turned back. Ketchup is still here. But mayonnaise turned back. She wants to spend time with Tom. He's doing some chores outside. And she wants to spend time, I guess, being the straw boss, telling him how to do things, where to do things, you know. Women just bossing men around. Hey! Come on, Lib! Libby! Come on, girl! I just saw a deer. I heard Louise losing her mind. And then bear running that way into space. And of course the deer can outrun any of these dogs. Well, except for Ketchup. But Ketchup, I don't think she's driven to chase deer. Not like that anyway, not through these woods. If it was on flat ground, oh yeah. She'd be all about it. All right, this is gonna shock Axel's mom. You see this pasture fencing we have here? Axel went on the wrong side. It only goes so far, and he went on the other side. And I was calling to him, and it took a second for him to turn around and look at me. But as soon as he did, I kept saying, Axel, come here. Axel, come here. And he came to me, came around the fencing, and I praised him, and his tail was wagging. So the training that Axel's mom have put him through, it did wonders. Yay! Going off path. I know they love it. Come on. Yes, woman. Let's go. All the smells of where we don't normally walk. And also the ability for me to fall and bust my buns. I think they secretly laugh when that happens to me. All right, we are in the ravine. Bear up there. So dry. No water in the creek. Something interesting here. Ew, yucky! Ew, yucky! 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 Wildlife poop. Nasty. Thank goodness nobody rolled in it. Oh, God. That's the job. Poop, pee, and vomit. Dogs running like fools, possibly getting in a fight like children on a playground. And minor injuries. These woods, they're treacherous. And these dogs are dogs. They have no idea what a thorn bush is, what highs and lows of the ground are, especially with all this leaf litter on the ground. Things are gonna happen. And All of the clients are very aware. They want their dog to run like mayhem, but things will happen.